How to style white t-shirt and look stylish. Tuck it into a high-waisted skirt or trouser. You can roll up the t-shirt sleeves. Add up some statement jewelleries and a belt. Wear it as an alternative to a blouse with a suit. You can style it up with wide leg pants and high heels for structure and height. Wear it as an alternative to a blouse. An easy way to look smart yet comfy for an office outwear. Under a blazer for a crisper look. Pair it denim or black jeans. Distressed jeans plus a casual pair of trainers for an easy look. Wear it with an elegant skirt or pencil skirt. Tuck in the white shirt with cute high heels, a nice belt and of course a purse. It is your turn now. Are you ready? Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice.